What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video I will show you how powerful we are and what should we do in order to fight successfully against the fraudulent activity of some authorities who tries to naked short certain assets. So, and let's start with the Roger James Hamilton official Twitter account, and he just published this tweet. It was published 1 hour ago, and he says SEC Rule 10b-21 equals naked short selling is illegal. FINRA Rule 203b equals but it's okay if brokers think they can reasonably find a stock to buy after they sell it. Officer, why did you steal and sell this car? Criminal, because I have a reasonable belief I'll buy it in the future. Okay then. So, and he reposted this tweet of Travis, and you can see the video, and here is the former Morgan Stanley employee, and let me show you what he is talking about.
You know, I would, illegally naked short sell stocks every day. Every day. As long as I was collecting commissions. And the bank did not care. The client will send you an order electronically. All you do is you click on the order, you go to execute, it'll pull up a little box, you type in anything you want, and you just hit OK. You don't ask questions. You appreciate the order. And if that involves shorting a stock naked, you do it anyway. Because management essentially tells you just create the business. Anything on the backside, we will deal with. So you're collecting money on the front, you collect money on the back, and you actually have zero risk. Clients never see that. All the prime lenders, they all do it consistently.
So I have to say that it is another evidence that basically every company, every major company uses naked shorting in its activity. And I have to say that we have a lot of evidence like this, and we are the real power, and especially when we are united with the CEOs of companies that were targets of naked shorting, definitely we can win this battle. And let me show you further. Right here you can see that he published on January 24th a retweet, and he retweeted that the street just made another article related to his company of a naked shorting problem. And it is not the only article. Let me show you this article first of all. But I have to say that we have more articles that are describing the situation, the problem of naked shorting and the problem of illegal activity. And definitely it is really important to fight against this activity. On top of that, let me show you that on SEO blog, and this website, for those of you who don't know, this website is made intentionally to fight against the illegal activity and to fight against the fraudulent companies and hedge funds. And right here you can find the recent update. Occupy SEC 2023 demands change. And let me show you this in details. First of all, let me quote you this. Before we head off to District Columbia and join the Occupy SEC 2023 initiative, we want to make sure that we address this community and articulated in more detail what we perceive the event is all about and what SEO Blog aims to achieve with its participation and support of the cause. Put simply, we want immediate action, congressional action. The issue of malicious naked short selling has gone beyond the scope of the SEC mandate, and we need Congress to expand the SEC's reach. The regulators must realize that technology progressed faster than rules and laws could be formed, and as a result, business and retail investors have watched their capital get crippled by prime brokers, hedge funds and market makers who wittingly or unwittingly drive stock price down. When we talk about the specifics of congressional action, we can distill it down into three key focus areas. So here are three focus areas: Action 1, Action 2 and Action 3. And the main idea of Action 1 is that Congress should step in and should give more power to SEC in order to update its laws and in order to give SEC more power to act accordingly the latest illegal activity, the latest situation on the market. Second action, and the main idea of the second action, let me show it to you. The SEC needs a wider margin to be able to impose fines that actually impact the profits made by breaking rules. More importantly, there should be a limit to the amount of times a company can break the rules. And this action is also very important. And the third one, we are asking the SEC and Congress to ban short selling immediately to allow our economy to stabilize without added pressure from malicious hedge funds who care nothing for damage they do to the American people. Congress must act now to save companies from predatory shorts. And the final note, let me quote you it entirely. So, why we are here, Occupy SEC 2023, and not Occupy Congress? The most immediate action that can be taken is by the SEC. They set the precedent in 2008 to temporarily ban short selling. We are here on their doorstep asking them to do that now. We are fighting for the companies we've built and for the money invested in them. There can be no accurate price discovery in the current market environment. The big picture solution will require congressional actions, and so we are asking the SEC to join us in asking Congress to investigate and to expand the SEC's mandate and create legitimate deterrents as opposed to decades of inaction and small punitive victories. So, definitely it is a very important event, and if you want to be a part of this event, you have to follow this person. It is the one of the activists, and he is the person who makes this event happen. And definitely in his Twitter account you can find any necessary information. And I have to say that if you want to take place in the main District Columbia SEC office, you have to visit this website, and let me quote you this. Join us on January 27th and January 28th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the SEC headquarters for Educational Awareness Rally. This RSVP is for attendees of the Washington DC location only. Please do not RSVP if you are going to other SEC locations. And it is very important to basically sign up on this event, because a lot of people anticipate some kind of illegal activity from unknown persons who might be hired by the fraudulent hedge funds and market makers. And because of this, we have to know how many of us will be involved in this process in the area right in front of the main office of SEC. And because of this, just sign up here. And unfortunately, I cannot attend to this event because I'm in Europe right now, but I'm with you guys, and I want to fight against the illegal activity on the markets, because I'm also a retail investor and I don't want to be a victim of this activity. So I think that's it for now. That's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack.